Flora. Plant life in a specific region. Vegetation. Plant life. Foliage. Botany. Can you describe the flora in your local area? The flora in my local area is exceptionally diverse, with a variety of vegetation ranging from lush greenery to vibrant seasonal flowers. The foliage provides an enchanting beauty, offering a glimpse into the rich botanical diversity that this region is blessed with. The plant life here is nurtured by a tropical climate, making it a haven for many plant species. Gaia. Earth personified as a goddess. Mother Earth. Nature. Terra. The world. How do you feel about the concept of Gaia in the modern context? I find the concept of Gaia inspiring, as it reminds us of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Mother Earth is the cradle of existence, providing every element of sustenance. From the nurturing elements of Terra to the harmonious balance in nature, the world stands as a symbol of unity. Protecting Gaia is crucial for the survival of future generations. Green Belt. An area of open land preserved for conservation. Conservation Zone. Green Zone. Natural Buffer. Open land. Why do you think green belts are important in urban planning? Green belts are vital as they act as a natural buffer between urban and rural areas, ensuring ecological balance. These green zones reduce air pollution, contribute to a healthier environment, and offer open land for recreational purposes. By preserving such conservation zones, cities can establish sustainable growth while protecting wildlife and biodiversity. Green Audit. A review process to measure environmental impact. Environmental Review. Sustainability Check. Ecological Assessment. Environmental Audit. Why do you think green audits are important for organizations? Green audits are crucial because they provide an environmental review of operations, helping organizations make informed decisions. Sustainability checks ensure ecological balance, while the ecological assessment enhances resource management and reduces carbon footprints. Conducting an environmental audit is a step towards building a more sustainable future. Biome. A specific natural area with distinct plant and animal life. Ecosystem. Habitat. Ecological zone. Biological community. Can you describe the importance of protecting biomes? Protecting biomes is essential because each ecosystem supports unique species, contributing to global biodiversity. A damaged habitat can lead to ecological imbalance, and safeguarding biological communities ensures a sustainable future. Each ecological zone plays a role in regulating the planet's climate and maintaining equilibrium. Carbon sequestration. The process of capturing and storing atmospheric CO2. Carbon capture. CO2 storage. Greenhouse gas absorption. Carbon absorption. How can carbon sequestration help combat climate change? Carbon sequestration plays a pivotal role in combating climate change by reducing atmospheric CO2 levels. Techniques like carbon capture and storage ensure greenhouse gas absorption, which prevents harmful effects on the planet. By promoting methods like carbon absorption, we can mitigate climate risks and promote environmental sustainability. Reservoir. A large natural or artificial lake used to store water. Water storage. Water body. Catchment area. Artificial lake. How do reservoirs contribute to urban water management? Reservoirs are indispensable for urban water management as they provide water storage solutions, ensuring a reliable supply during dry seasons. Artificial lakes serve as water bodies that help mitigate droughts, while catchment areas reduce the impact of flooding. Their role in maintaining equilibrium within urban ecosystems cannot be overstated. Green manure. A cover crop grown to improve soil fertility. Organic fertilizer. Soil enricher. Natural compost. Soil conditioner. What are the advantages of using green manure in agriculture? Using green manure in agriculture offers numerous benefits, including acting as an organic fertilizer that enriches soil quality. It serves as a natural compost, improving soil fertility and texture. As a soil conditioner, it boosts crop productivity by replenishing essential nutrients, making it a sustainable alternative to chemical fertilizers. Greenway. A corridor of protected open space for recreation and conservation. Eco-corridor. Nature trail. Green corridor. Open pathway. Why do you think greenways are important for urban spaces? Greenways are crucial for urban areas as they provide eco-corridors that promote physical activity and mental well-being. These green corridors serve as nature trails, offering a scenic open pathway where people can enjoy leisure and relaxation while also conserving the environment and supporting biodiversity. Greenways make cities more sustainable and livable. Greenwashing. Disinformation by organizations to appear environmentally friendly. Eco-deception. Green facade. Environmental misrepresentation. False sustainability. How can consumers identify and avoid greenwashing when shopping? Consumers can identify greenwashing by analyzing whether eco-claims are supported with evidence or if they are mere eco-deceptions. Spotting green facades involves researching product certifications to ensure there is no environmental misrepresentation. Being cautious about false sustainability claims helps in making informed and ethical purchasing decisions. Rewilding. Restoring ecosystems to their natural, wild state. Ecological restoration. Habitat revival. Natural regeneration. Wilderness recovery. What is the significance of rewilding in preserving the environment? Rewilding plays a vital role in preserving the environment as it emphasizes ecological restoration to revive degraded ecosystems. By enabling habitat revival and natural regeneration, it fosters wilderness recovery, helping endangered species thrive. This practice strengthens biodiversity, making the environment more resilient against climate change and other ecological threats. Wildlife corridor. Strips of habitat connecting wildlife populations. Ecological passage. Animal pathway. Biodiversity link. Habitat connection. Why is maintaining wildlife corridors essential for conservation efforts? Maintaining wildlife corridors is essential as they serve as ecological passages that connect fragmented habitats. These biodiversity links allow animals to travel safely, ensuring habitat connection and reducing conflicts with humans. By creating such animal pathways, conservationists promote genetic diversity and protect endangered species from isolation. Flight shame. Feeling guilt over the carbon footprint of air travel. Air travel guilt. Aviation regret. Travel-related remorse. Carbon-conscious travel. How can flight shame encourage environmentally friendly travel choices? Flight shame can encourage people to consider alternatives like carbon-conscious travel, which minimizes the environmental impact. Air travel guilt often leads to aviation regret and promotes the adoption of sustainable practices, such as opting for trains or choosing airlines with lower emissions. This travel-related remorse fosters awareness about reducing one's carbon footprint. Cap and trade. An environmental policy to limit emissions while allowing trading of permits. Emission trading. Carbon allowance. Pollution permits. Greenhouse gas control. What are the benefits of the cap and trade system for industries and the environment? The cap and trade system helps industries by providing a flexible emission trading mechanism. Through carbon allowances, companies can manage their greenhouse gas control while adhering to pollution permits. This approach reduces overall emissions, creates a market-driven incentive to adopt cleaner technologies, and promotes sustainable development for a healthier planet. Shrill. A high-pitched and piercing sound. Piercing. High-pitched. Screeching. Ear-splitting. How does a shrill sound affect people's daily lives? A shrill sound, such as a screeching alarm or piercing whistle, can be quite distressing and ear-splitting. Its high-pitched intensity often creates discomfort, especially in noisy urban environments. Reducing exposure to such sounds can significantly improve mental well-being and concentration levels in one's day-to-day routine. Muffled. A sound that is quiet or less distinct. Muted. Stifled. Dull. Subdued. Why do people sometimes prefer muffled sounds to louder ones? People often prefer muffled sounds, like muted tones or stifled noises, because they are less intrusive and more soothing. Subdued sounds create a calm environment, especially when compared to louder and more distinct noises, which might lead to stress. Such a peaceful atmosphere is particularly valuable for relaxation and focused activities. Dissonant. Lacking harmony or being in disagreement. Discordant. Jarring. Clashing. Unharmonious. How do dissonant sounds influence musical compositions? Dissonant sounds, such as clashing or discordant notes, play a vital role in creating tension within musical pieces. While unharmonious or jarring, they evoke emotional responses and add depth to compositions. Artists often balance them with harmony to ensure that these sounds contribute to the overall richness and complexity of their music. Grating. Irritating or harsh, especially in sound. Irritating. Harsh. Annoying. Rasping. Why can grating sounds negatively impact a person's mood? Grating sounds, like harsh or rasping noises, can be irritating and cause significant discomfort. Such annoying sounds are particularly disruptive in public spaces, making it challenging for individuals to focus. By minimizing exposure to these unpleasant auditory stimuli, people can create a more harmonious and mood-enhancing environment in their surroundings. Clanging. A loud, resonant metallic sound. Clanking. Jingling. Rattling. Metallic echo. Why are clanging sounds often associated with industrial or urban areas? Clanging sounds, such as clanking and metallic echoes, are often a characteristic of industrial environments. Jingling and rattling noises from machinery or construction work dominate the soundscape of urban areas. While they indicate progress, reducing their impact can lead to a more pleasant and less stressful urban living experience for city dwellers. Jarring. A harsh or sudden sound or experience that shocks. Shocking. Harsh. Disruptive. Unpleasant. How can a jarring sound impact concentration in a busy setting? A jarring noise, such as a harsh horn or an unpleasant alarm, can disrupt concentration immediately. Its shocking nature often creates a chaotic atmosphere, which hampers productivity. Disruptive sounds make it harder to focus, especially in environments requiring precision, like libraries or workplaces. Managing such sounds is vital for maintaining focus and mental peace. Squeaky. Producing a high-pitched or thin sound. Shrill. Creaky. High-pitched. Chirpy. Why do certain environments amplify squeaky noises? Squeaky sounds, such as high-pitched or creaky hinges, are often amplified in enclosed spaces where echoes occur. The shrill tone can be particularly chirpy and bothersome, making such environments seem irritating. Ensuring proper maintenance and adding sound-absorbing materials can mitigate the effects of these bothersome noises. Whirring. A low, continuous, and fast sound. Buzzing. Humming. Spinning. Vibrating. What feelings does a whirring noise evoke in different situations? A whirring sound, like the humming of a fan or vibrating machinery, can evoke mixed feelings depending on the context. While buzzing noises can feel soothing in controlled settings, rapid spinning sounds may also seem overwhelming in certain cases. Adjusting exposure to such noises determines whether they comfort or disturb an individual. Raspy. Rough or harsh in sound. Gravelly. Hoarse. Scratchy. Gritty. Can a raspy voice be appealing in certain contexts? A raspy voice can indeed be appealing, particularly in music or storytelling, where its gritty and hoarse tone adds depth and character. The gravelly texture and scratchy quality of such voices often convey emotion, making them captivating. However, its appeal depends greatly on the context and audience preferences. Blaring. Extremely loud and conspicuous. Deafening. Overwhelming. Ear-splitting. Thunderous. How do you feel when exposed to blaring sounds in public spaces? Blaring sounds, such as ear-splitting sirens or thunderous music, can feel overwhelming in public spaces. Their deafening intensity often creates discomfort and disrupts conversations. However, some people enjoy this overwhelming sound during concerts, as it enhances energy and excitement, showcasing how context changes perceptions of sound. Thudding. Producing a dull, heavy sound. Pounding. Dull thump. Heavy knocking. Rhythmic beating. Why does a thudding sound evoke a sense of unease at times? A thudding noise, characterized by rhythmic beating or a heavy knocking sound, can evoke unease due to its repetitive and dull thump. The pounding noise often triggers a feeling of suspense, especially in quiet settings. This psychological response is why such sounds are commonly used in films to create tension. Guttural. A deep, harsh sound originating in the throat. Throaty. Hoarse. Harsh. Raspy. How can guttural sounds add emphasis to a language or speech? Guttural sounds, such as throaty or hoarse tones, can lend a raw and expressive quality to speech. Their raspy nature emphasizes emotion, while their harsh texture often conveys strong feelings. These sounds create a unique identity for languages, making them intriguing and distinctive in how they resonate with the audience. To pop. To make a short, sharp, explosive sound. To snap. To burst. To crack. To explode. Can you describe a situation where the sound of something popping startled you? The sound of something popping, like when a balloon bursts or a cracker snaps, can be truly startling. Its sharp, crack-like nature often creates a momentary shock. I vividly remember a firework unexpectedly bursting near me, the noise exploding so suddenly that everyone's attention was drawn instantly. To chime. To produce a clear and melodious ringing sound. To ring. To tinkle. To peal. To resonate. How does the sound of something chiming contribute to a peaceful environment? The chiming of wind chimes, with their melodious and tinkling resonance, brings tranquility to any setting. This pealing sound creates a soothing atmosphere, helping individuals relax and focus. Whether it's the delicate sound of bells or other forms of ringing, their gentle tones are truly refreshing. Jangling. Producing a harsh metallic sound. Clinking. Rattling. Clashing. Clattering. Why can jangling sounds feel irritating in crowded areas? Jangling sounds, such as clinking keys or clattering metal objects, can become overwhelmingly irritating in crowded areas. Their constant rattling and clashing noise disrupts conversations and creates a chaotic environment, leaving people feeling agitated and fatigued in an already noisy setting. To screech. To make a loud, sharp, high-pitched sound. To shriek. To squeal. To squeak. To wail. Why are screeching sounds often associated with distress or emergencies? Screeching sounds, such as the wail of brakes or the squeal of alarms, are piercing and attention-grabbing. They convey urgency and are often associated with emergency situations. Their shriek-like intensity is designed to alert and mobilize people to act quickly, which makes them invaluable in critical scenarios. Raucous. Loud, harsh, and boisterous. Rowdy. Noisy. Boisterous. Clamorous. What situations often lead to raucous celebrations in your culture? Raucous celebrations, such as during festivals or victory parades, are known for their boisterous and clamorous energy. The atmosphere becomes rowdy and filled with noisy enthusiasm, reflecting the joy of communal festivity. Such events are cherished traditions where people connect and express their happiness unapologetically. Sweltering. Extremely hot and uncomfortable due to heat. Sizzling. Torrid. Parching. Flaming. What challenges do people face during sweltering summer days in your country? Sweltering summer days in my country bring several challenges, especially as the sizzling heat becomes unbearable for outdoor workers. The torrid weather often leads to dehydration and parching conditions, making physical tasks exhausting. People tend to stay indoors, seeking relief from the flaming temperatures by using air conditioning or natural cooling methods like shades or cold drinks. Lukewarm. Moderately warm, neither hot nor cold. Tepid. Mild. Warmish. Room temperature. Why do some people prefer lukewarm beverages over hot or cold ones? Many people enjoy lukewarm beverages, such as tepid water or mild herbal tea, as these are gentler on the stomach. Drinks served at warmish or room temperature are often considered more soothing, particularly during chilly weather or after meals. This preference aligns with cultural habits and health benefits, balancing between extreme temperatures. Thermic. Relating to or caused by heat. Thermal. Heat-related. Warm. Calorific. How do thermic processes affect energy usage in your region? Thermic processes, such as thermal heating and warm energy systems, play a significant role in energy consumption in my region. These calorific systems generate heat efficiently, ensuring that energy usage is balanced. Heat-related methods like solar panels optimize power by utilizing natural thermic sources, which contribute to sustainability. Muggy. Hot, humid, and uncomfortable weather. Sultry. Humid. Oppressive. Sticky. What measures can people take to stay comfortable during muggy weather? During muggy weather, which often feels sultry and sticky, people can stay comfortable by drinking plenty of water and using fans. The oppressive heat combined with humid conditions can be exhausting, so adopting strategies like wearing light clothing and staying indoors helps. Such efforts mitigate the discomfort of extreme humidity. Nippy. Unpleasantly cold weather. Chilly. Frosty. Brisk. Crisp. How do people usually dress during nippy weather in your country? In nippy weather, where the air feels brisk and frosty, people often wear warm layers and scarves to stay cozy. The crisp conditions call for thicker jackets and other insulating clothing. These chilly climates also encourage a preference for hot beverages, which provide warmth during the cold season and help people enjoy the crisp outdoors. Arctic. Extremely cold or freezing, similar to the Arctic. Freezing. Icy. Polar. Frigid. Why do Arctic conditions affect transportation systems in winter? Arctic conditions, characterized by freezing temperatures and frigid winds, heavily impact transportation systems. Roads become icy and polar conditions reduce vehicle efficiency, making travel hazardous. Many countries develop strategies to overcome these challenges by salting roads and implementing systems to combat harsh, freezing winters effectively. Glacial. Extremely cold or slow-moving, like a glacier. Icy. Frozen. Frigid. Wintry. How do glacial landscapes contribute to tourism in certain regions? Glacial landscapes, with their icy and frozen beauty, attract thousands of tourists annually. These wintry terrains, often characterized by frigid temperatures, offer adventure activities such as glacier hiking and ice skating. Their stunning, serene beauty has made them iconic tourist destinations for nature and thrill seekers alike. Algid. Cold and chilly, often uncomfortably so. Chilling. Frigid. Frosty. Icy. How do algid conditions affect people's productivity in outdoor workplaces? Algid conditions, which are chilling and frosty, make it challenging for people to remain productive in outdoor jobs. The frigid atmosphere reduces comfort, forcing workers to focus on staying warm rather than their tasks. By using proper protective gear and managing breaks, they can mitigate the effects of icy environments on their work efficiency. Variance. The measure of dispersion in a set of data points. Deviation. Dispersion. Divergence. Difference. Why is variance important in analyzing statistical data? Variance is crucial because it helps in understanding the dispersion or deviation in data, providing insights into its divergence from the mean. This difference allows analysts to identify patterns and make better decisions. By studying dispersion, statisticians can gain a clearer picture of the underlying trends and irregularities present in datasets. Algorithm. A set of rules or steps to solve a problem systematically. Procedure. Formula. Process. Method. How do algorithms influence modern-day problem-solving approaches? Algorithms play a transformative role by providing systematic procedures for solving complex issues. These methods, consisting of structured formulas, allow for efficient processes that save time. From coding programs to mathematical computations, algorithms have become the backbone of logical problem-solving approaches worldwide. Derivative: the rate of change of a function with respect to a variable. Differential: rate of change. Tangent slope. Gradient: how is the derivative applied in everyday problem-solving scenarios? Derivatives are widely used in real-life scenarios to calculate rates of change, such as velocity in physics. These gradients and tangent slopes help in understanding processes like financial growth. Knowing differentials enables predictions, making them vital in industries ranging from engineering to economics where precision is essential. Integral: the total accumulation of quantities, often under a curve. Summation: area calculation. Cumulative value. Aggregate: why are integrals considered essential in mathematical studies and applications? Integrals, often used for calculating summation and cumulative values, are vital in numerous fields like engineering and physics. They allow precise area calculations under curves, making aggregates easier to determine. From measuring distances to predicting fluid volumes, integrals provide practical solutions to complex mathematical and real-world challenges. Limit: the value that a function approaches as the input approaches a specific point. Boundary. Threshold. Extent. Endpoint. Can you describe the importance of limits in understanding mathematical functions? Limits are fundamental as they determine the threshold or boundary a function approaches under specific conditions. By analyzing the extent to which values converge, one can predict an endpoint. This understanding enhances accuracy in fields such as physics and economics, where studying the behavior of functions near boundaries is crucial. Matrix: a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. Array. Grid. Table. Framework. How is the matrix applied in computational and real-world contexts? Matrices play an integral role in computational tasks by organizing data into arrays or grids for easier manipulation. This table-like framework facilitates calculations in engineering, computer graphics, and physics. The use of matrices allows for efficient solutions to complex problems, making them indispensable in fields ranging from science to data analysis. Calculus: a branch of mathematics that studies rates of change and accumulation. Differential. Mathematical analysis. Derivative calculus. Integral calculus. How important is calculus in solving real-world problems? Calculus is essential for solving complex problems by applying differential and integral calculus. It plays a pivotal role in mathematical analysis, helping us understand changes and accumulation. From engineering designs to predicting financial trends, calculus is foundational for analyzing dynamic systems, ensuring accurate and efficient solutions. Catastrophe theory. A branch of mathematics studying sudden changes in systems. Chaos theory. Discontinuity theory. System dynamics. Critical point analysis. How does catastrophe theory contribute to predicting sudden changes? Catastrophe theory helps predict abrupt shifts in systems by analyzing critical points and system dynamics. This chaos theory highlights how discontinuity in variables can lead to profound changes. It has practical applications in economics, climate studies, and even medicine, where understanding such shifts is crucial for managing risks effectively. Donut chart. A circular chart similar to a pie chart with a blank center. Circular chart. Ring chart. Segment chart. Whole chart. Why do you think donut charts are used to present data visually? Donut charts are valuable for visually representing data as they break information into circular segments. These ring charts, or whole charts, allow comparisons between categories. Their unique blank center improves readability over traditional pie charts. This visual clarity helps people comprehend complex data sets with ease and precision. Flow chart. A diagram that represents processes and decision-making steps. Process diagram. Workflow chart. Sequence diagram. Decision tree. How do flow charts improve efficiency in projects and operations? Flow charts simplify processes by visually presenting workflows and decision trees. These process diagrams break tasks into sequential steps, helping teams understand the sequence of operations. By using workflow charts, organizations enhance efficiency and ensure clarity in communication. This structured approach prevents errors and boosts productivity. Bubble chart. A chart that uses bubbles to represent data points. Scatter plot. Data bubble chart. Proportional chart. Circle chart. How do bubble charts help in analyzing data trends effectively? Bubble charts are ideal for analyzing trends, as their data bubbles allow comparisons across multiple variables. These proportional charts combine size and position to offer deeper insights, much like scatter plots. Circle charts like these simplify the visual representation of complex information, making data interpretation intuitive and efficient. Quartile. A statistical term dividing data into 4 equal parts. Data quarter. Percentile division. Statistical quartile. Equal group analysis. How can quartiles help in understanding statistical distributions? Quartiles are instrumental in understanding data distributions, dividing them into 4 equal data quarters. This statistical quartile approach enables percentile divisions, offering insights into trends and anomalies. Equal group analysis ensures that variations within and across datasets are easily identified for further analysis, aiding decision-making processes in various fields. Candlestick chart. A financial chart showing price movements for assets. Price chart. Trading chart. Candle graph. Stock visualization. How does a candlestick chart help in financial analysis? A candlestick chart is essential for analyzing price trends, offering insights into stock movements. These candle graphs and trading charts provide a clear visualization of highs, lows, and closing prices. As a stock visualization tool, it is widely used to predict trends and make informed trading decisions in the competitive financial market. Cross-section. A slice of an object showing its internal structure. Sectional view. Cutaway view. Interior profile. Structural slice. Why is studying a cross-section important in engineering design? Studying cross-sections is crucial in engineering, as they reveal the internal structure or sectional view of components. By examining the cutaway view and structural slice, designers ensure accuracy and safety. These interior profiles help predict material strength and optimize performance in various construction and manufacturing processes. Parallelogram. A four-sided shape with opposite sides parallel. Quadrilateral. Rhomboid. Oblong rectangle. Slanted rectangle. What is the significance of parallelograms in architectural design? Parallelograms play a vital role in architecture due to their versatility. These quadrilaterals, like rhomboids or slanted rectangles, are often used in structural frames and layouts. Their oblong properties make them ideal for distributing weight evenly, ensuring stability and visual symmetry in building designs. Tetrahedron. A three-dimensional shape with four triangular faces. Triangular pyramid. Four-faced polyhedron. 3D triangle. 3D prism. How do tetrahedrons contribute to modern architecture or design? Tetrahedrons, known as triangular pyramids or 3D prisms, are commonly used in structural design due to their strength and geometric symmetry. These four-faced polyhedrons distribute stress efficiently, making them a favorite in the construction of lightweight frameworks and innovative architectural models. Octahedron. A polyhedron with 8 triangular faces. 8-faced solid. 3D diamond. 8-faced shape. Symmetrical polyhedron. How is the octahedron applied in mathematics or design contexts? The octahedron, a symmetrical polyhedron, is widely used in mathematics for understanding geometry. Its 8-faced shape, resembling a 3D diamond, is also applied in design contexts, particularly in creating elegant structures or decorative elements. These 8-faced solids provide symmetry, balance, and aesthetic appeal in both practical and creative designs. Dodecahedron. A polyhedron with 12 pentagonal faces. 12-faced solid. 3D pentagon. Geometric polyhedron. Multi-faced figure. What makes the dodecahedron unique in geometrical studies? The dodecahedron, with its 12 pentagonal faces, is a multifaceted geometric polyhedron. It is unique due to its regularity and symmetry, often serving as a foundation in advanced mathematical and architectural applications. These 12-faced solids are also used in conceptual models, symbolizing complexity and balance. Icosahedron. A polyhedron with 20 triangular faces. 20-faced solid. 3D triangle mesh. Geometric sphere. Multi-triangular shape. How does the icosahedron find its use in art and engineering? The icosahedron, a 20-faced solid, is highly appreciated in both art and engineering for its perfect symmetry and aesthetic appeal. Its geometric sphere-like qualities and multi-triangular design provide structural integrity, making it a preferred choice in dome construction and intricate artistic patterns. Curvature. The degree to which a curve deviates from being straight. Bend. Arc. Curve. Bow. Why is understanding curvature important in designing roads and bridges? Understanding curvature is vital in designing roads and bridges, as the arc or bow ensures the safety and functionality of the structure. Curves provide balance and reduce the risk of accidents by aligning paths with natural bends. A precise understanding of such bends enhances construction efficiency and ensures smoother travel experiences for users. Hyperbola. A type of smooth curve formed by the intersection of a plane and a double cone. Conic curve. Open curve. Mathematical arc. Geometric locus. How is a hyperbola used in practical applications like physics or engineering? Hyperbolas, as open curves or mathematical arcs, have numerous applications in real life. They are used in designing satellite dishes and reflectors due to their geometric locus properties. This conic curve helps focus signals effectively, playing a vital role in communication and scientific instruments like telescopes. Torus. A surface shaped like a donut with a hole in the middle. Donut shape. Circular ring. 3D loop. Revolved circle. Why do torus shapes often appear in mathematics and science? The torus, known for its donut shape, is widely studied for its properties in topology and geometry. This 3D loop or revolved circle has practical uses, such as in magnetic fields and even in designing lifebuoys. Its unique circular ring form is both fascinating and functional. Frustum. The portion of a cone or pyramid cut parallel to its base. Truncated cone. Truncated pyramid. Slanted section. Flattened top. How does the concept of a frustum play a role in structural engineering? Frustums, whether truncated cones or pyramids, are essential in structural engineering. Their flattened tops and slanted sections allow for stable designs in buildings, especially when creating components like pillars or funnels. They balance aesthetics with functionality in modern construction techniques. Crescent. A shape resembling a curved segment of a circle. Half moon. Lunar curve. Arc. Curved slice. Why is the crescent shape used as a symbol in various cultures? The crescent, commonly seen as a half moon or lunar curve, holds deep cultural and religious significance. It is used in many traditions to symbolize renewal and progress. This arc-like shape, resembling a curved slice, often represents harmony in spirituality, making it an iconic emblem worldwide. Helicoid. A three-dimensional surface shaped like a spiral. Spiral surface. Twisted plane. Curved sheet. Corkscrew shape. What are the practical uses of helicoids in engineering and nature? Helicoids, such as corkscrew shapes or twisted planes, have practical applications in engineering and nature. Spiral surfaces are used in designing efficient screw pumps, while curved sheets are observed in DNA structures. Their intricate geometry provides strength and flexibility in both man-made and natural designs. Annulus. A ring-shaped region bounded by two concentric circles. Circular band. Ring shape. Hollow circle. Circular zone. How is the annulus utilized in design and architecture? The annulus, with its circular band structure, is widely used in design for its simplicity and efficiency. This ring shape, also referred to as a hollow circle or circular zone, features prominently in architectural layouts, from ornamental designs to functional elements such as ring foundations and fountains. Rhombus. A four-sided figure with all sides of equal length. Diamond shape. Parallelogram. Equilateral quadrilateral. Slanted square. Why is the rhombus considered a versatile geometric shape in construction? The rhombus, often known as a diamond shape or slanted square, is widely utilized in construction due to its flexibility in creating patterns. As an equilateral quadrilateral, it provides both aesthetic appeal and structural strength, making it a fundamental parallelogram in flooring, tiling, and window designs. Asymptote. A line that a curve approaches but never touches. Limit line. Infinite boundary. Curve constraint. Geometric bound. How does the concept of an asymptote play a role in mathematics? The concept of an asymptote, such as a limit line or curve constraint, is crucial in advanced mathematics. It represents a geometric bound that curves approach but never reach. This infinite boundary is widely used in calculus to study behavior and trends of functions, enabling precise predictions of how variables behave at extreme values. Trapezoid. A four-sided shape with one pair of parallel sides. Quadrilateral. Trapezium. Slanted rectangle. Uneven quadrilateral. Why is the trapezoid often seen in practical designs like bridges? Trapezoids, also called trapeziums or uneven quadrilaterals, are commonly used in bridge designs due to their structural advantages. Their slanted rectangle form distributes loads evenly, providing stability. This quadrilateral shape is particularly effective for accommodating pressure and balancing weight distribution efficiently. Lattice. A regular, repeating arrangement of points or structures. Grid structure. Mesh. Framework. Network pattern. How do lattices contribute to architectural and industrial designs? Lattices, with their grid structure and framework designs, offer strength and flexibility in architecture. Such mesh-like network patterns are used in construction to provide support while maintaining a lightweight structure. These designs are particularly prominent in fences, bridges, and decorative elements. Oblong. A shape longer than it is wide, typically rectangular or oval. Elongated rectangle. Oval shape. Rectangular ellipse. Extended form. How is the oblong shape useful in furniture and architectural design? Oblong shapes, whether in the form of elongated rectangles or rectangular ellipses, are widely used in furniture and architecture for their functionality. This extended form creates space-efficient designs, ensuring durability and visual appeal. Oval shapes, for example, are ideal for creating ergonomic desks and tables. Lozenge. A diamond-shaped or rhombus-like geometric figure. Rhombus shape. Diamond figure. Quadrilateral. Slanted square. Why is the lozenge shape often used in patterns and logos? The lozenge shape, known as a rhombus or diamond figure, is a popular design element. This slanted square or quadrilateral is frequently seen in patterns and logos due to its symmetry and dynamic appeal. Its geometric precision conveys elegance and professionalism, making it a versatile choice for branding. Icosagon. A polygon with 20 sides. 20-sided polygon. Geometric shape. Multi-sided figure. Complex polygon. Why is the icosagon rarely used in practical design and architecture? The icosagon, a 20-sided polygon, is rarely used due to its complexity. This multi-sided figure and geometric shape requires precise measurements, which are impractical in most designs. However, in theoretical geometry, these complex polygons are studied for their unique properties and applications in advanced mathematical modeling. Substation. A facility for controlling and distributing electrical power. Power station. Distribution center. Electricity hub. Energy facility. What role do substations play in ensuring a stable energy supply? Substations, often referred to as power stations or electricity hubs, are essential in managing and distributing electrical power. These distribution centers ensure smooth transmission by stepping down high voltages to usable levels. Energy facilities like these are the backbone of modern infrastructure, enabling uninterrupted fracking. Hydraulic fracturing to extract oil and gas from underground. Hydraulic fracturing. Shale extraction. Rock fracturing. Resource recovery. How does fracking impact the environment and energy production? Fracking, also called hydraulic fracturing or rock fracturing, has revolutionized energy production by enabling efficient shale extraction. However, this resource recovery method has significant environmental challenges, including water contamination and seismic activity. Its advantages include energy independence, but addressing environmental concerns remains critical for sustainable practices. Conduit. A pipe or channel for transmitting fluids, cables, or data. Channel. Pipeline. Passageway. Transmission route. Why is the role of a conduit essential in modern infrastructure? Conduits, such as pipelines or passageways, are vital for transmitting energy and information. Acting as reliable channels or transmission routes, they enable the flow of fluids, cables, or data seamlessly. Their versatility makes them indispensable in power grids, telecommunication systems, and water supply networks. Alternating current. An electric current that reverses direction periodically. AC. Oscillating current. Variable current. Fluctuating power. How does alternating current differ from direct current in usage? Alternating current, AC, also known as oscillating or variable current, differs significantly from direct current, DC. AC's fluctuating power is ideal for long-distance transmission, while DC is used for smaller devices. Its ability to reverse direction periodically makes it the backbone of global electrical grids. Alternative fuel. Fuels derived from sources other than fossil fuels. Renewable fuel. Sustainable energy. Non-conventional fuel. Eco-friendly energy. Why is the development of alternative fuel important for the environment? Alternative fuel, such as renewable or sustainable energy, is crucial for reducing dependency on fossil fuels. These eco-friendly and non-conventional options help decrease greenhouse gas emissions, promoting a cleaner environment. Transitioning to such fuels is key to addressing climate change challenges effectively. Biofuel. Fuels produced from organic materials like plants or waste. Biomass fuel. Organic fuel. Plant-based fuel. Renewable energy. What are the advantages of using biofuel over traditional fossil fuels? Biofuel, derived from biomass or organic materials, provides a renewable energy source with lower carbon emissions. Plant-based fuels are more sustainable than traditional fossil fuels, contributing to environmental conservation. Their production also promotes waste recycling and reduces air pollution, making them an ideal choice for the future. Biogas. A renewable energy source produced by the breakdown of organic matter. Methane gas. Renewable gas. Organic fuel. Green gas. How can biogas contribute to rural development and sustainability? Biogas, known as renewable or methane gas, supports rural development by providing green energy through waste management. This organic fuel not only offers a sustainable alternative but also promotes economic activity in agricultural communities. Its efficient energy output reduces dependency on conventional fuels while conserving the environment. Strait. A narrow passage of water connecting two larger bodies of water. Channel. Waterway. Passage. Sea link. Why are straits important in global trade and navigation? Straits, often called channels or waterways, are crucial for global trade as they connect major seas and oceans. These passages act as natural sea links, allowing ships to transport goods efficiently. Many vital trade routes depend on such narrow waterways to ensure smooth and cost-effective navigation. Glacier. A large mass of ice that moves slowly over land. Ice sheet. Frozen river. Ice flow. Iceberg mass. What role do glaciers play in maintaining the Earth's ecosystem? Glaciers, often described as frozen rivers or ice sheets, are vital for maintaining freshwater resources. Their ice flows regulate global temperatures, while iceberg masses contribute to sea level balance. Protecting glaciers is essential to sustain water supplies and prevent climate-related disruptions. Savanna. A large flat grassy plain, often in tropical or subtropical regions. Grassland. Open plain. Prairie. Pasture land. How does the savanna contribute to biodiversity? Savannas, like grasslands or open plains, are home to a wide range of species. These prairie ecosystems provide habitat for wildlife, while pasture lands support agriculture. This unique environment contributes significantly to global biodiversity and offers critical resources for people and animals alike. Meridian. An imaginary line on Earth's surface connecting the poles. Longitude line. Geographic axis. Vertical arc. Earth's divider. Why are meridians essential in geographic mapping? Meridians, also called longitude lines or vertical arcs, are essential for accurate geographic mapping. These geographic axes divide the Earth, allowing precise navigation and time zone calculations. Without such Earth dividers, understanding location and distance would be far more complex. Topography. The physical features of a land surface. Landscape study. Terrain mapping. Landform analysis. Geographic survey. How does topography influence the development of urban areas? Topography, encompassing terrain mapping and landscape study, heavily influences urban planning. Understanding landforms and conducting geographic surveys help engineers adapt constructions to natural slopes, ensuring stability and sustainable development. It plays a crucial role in deciding road networks and infrastructure designs. Cartography. The science or art of creating maps. Mapmaking. Geographic drawing. Charting. Map design. Why is cartography considered a blend of science and art? Cartography, known as mapmaking or geographic drawing, merges scientific accuracy with creative design. Accurate charting ensures maps are reliable, while artistic elements enhance readability. This blend of map design serves multiple purposes, from navigation to teaching geography, making cartography indispensable in various fields. Atoll. A ring-shaped coral reef, island, or series of islets. Coral ring. Lagoon island. Reef structure. Circular reef. How do atolls contribute to marine ecosystems and tourism? Atolls, such as coral rings or lagoon islands, are essential for marine biodiversity. These reef structures provide habitats for sea life while acting as natural barriers against waves. Circular reefs also attract tourism due to their stunning beauty, promoting conservation efforts and economic benefits for coastal communities. Creek. A small stream or narrow waterway. Brook. Rivulet. Stream. Water channel. How can a creek enhance the natural beauty of a landscape? A creek, often referred to as a brook or rivulet, enhances a landscape's natural charm by providing a serene and flowing water channel. The gentle stream fosters biodiversity and offers tranquility. These small waterways complement gardens and forests by creating scenic views, attracting wildlife, and adding vibrancy to the ecosystem. Tributary. A smaller river or stream that flows into a larger one. Branch. Streamlet. Feeder stream. Water inflow. Why are tributaries essential in forming large river systems? Tributaries, also known as feeder streams or branch rivers, are vital for sustaining large river systems. These water inflows contribute additional volume and carry nutrients, fostering ecosystems. The flow from streamlets enriches biodiversity, ensures water availability, and supports agricultural and economic activities downstream. Marsh. A wetland area dominated by grasses and herbaceous plants. Wetland. Swamp. Bog. Moor. Why are marshes important for environmental balance? Marshes, often called wetlands or swamps, are critical for maintaining environmental balance. These boggy ecosystems act as natural water filters, preventing floods and supporting diverse species. By preserving moors and marshlands, we sustain habitats for birds and fish while mitigating the effects of climate change. Escarpment. A steep slope or long cliff separating two areas of different heights. Cliff. Ridge. Steep slope. Abrupt elevation. How does an escarpment influence the geography of a region? Escarpments, also known as ridges or steep slopes, define regional geography by creating natural boundaries. These abrupt elevations, like cliffs, impact weather patterns and water drainage. Their geological significance makes them popular for exploration, while offering breathtaking views and supporting unique flora and fauna. Butte. An isolated hill with steep sides and a flat top. Mesa. Plateau. Hillock. Elevated landform. How does the formation of a butte reflect geological processes? Buttes, also called mesas or elevated landforms, are formed through erosion. Their flat tops and steep sides stand out in landscapes, demonstrating how natural forces shape terrain. These hillocks provide clues about ancient geological events, making them important features for scientific study and tourism. Cataract. A large waterfall or a cascade of water. Cascade. Rapids. Waterfall. Torrent. Why do cataracts attract tourists and adventurers alike? Cataracts, often known as rapids or cascades, attract both tourists and adventurers with their sheer power and beauty. These torrents create scenic views and thrilling experiences for activities like rafting. Waterfalls not only draw visitors but also contribute to hydroelectricity and ecological conservation in their regions. Crater. A bowl-shaped depression typically formed by volcanic activity. Depression. Hollow. Pit. Cavity. How does a crater influence the landscape of a volcanic region? A crater, often described as a hollow or cavity, shapes the volcanic landscape significantly. This pit created by volcanic eruptions often becomes a unique feature that attracts geologists and tourists alike. Such depressions provide clues about past eruptions and serve as natural reservoirs for water, forming lakes in some cases. Estuary. The tidal mouth of a large river, where it meets the sea. River mouth. Delta. Water outlet. Tidal inlet. Why are estuaries important for coastal ecosystems? Estuaries, such as deltas or tidal inlets, are vital for coastal ecosystems as they act as natural water outlets, connecting rivers to the sea. These river mouths support biodiversity, provide nurseries for fish, and protect inland areas by reducing the impact of tidal surges. Fjord. A long, deep, narrow body of water surrounded by steep cliffs. Inlet. Coastal valley. Marine ravine. Seawater gorge. How do fjords contribute to the natural beauty of coastal regions? Fjords, described as seawater gorges or coastal valleys, add dramatic beauty to coastal regions. These marine ravines, shaped by glacial activity, boast steep cliffs and serene waters, making them iconic tourist attractions. Inlets like these offer opportunities for exploration and unique wildlife habitats. Geyser. A hot spring that intermittently ejects water and steam. Hot spring. Thermal fountain. Erupting spring. Steam vent. What makes geysers significant for tourism and scientific research? Geysers, such as erupting springs or steam vents, attract tourists and researchers due to their dramatic thermal fountain displays. These hot springs are indicators of geothermal activity, providing valuable insights into Earth's geological processes while offering stunning natural spectacles. Isthmus. A narrow strip of land connecting two larger landmasses. Land bridge. Neck. Connector. Land link. How has the isthmus played a role in trade and exploration throughout history? An isthmus, known as a land bridge or connector, has been historically crucial for trade and exploration. Acting as a land link, these narrow necks of land connect regions, often facilitating the construction of canals to enhance global trade routes and economic growth. Lagoon. A shallow body of water separated from a larger body of water. Coastal lake. Tidal pool. Shallow bay. Saltwater pond. How do lagoons contribute to the economy and environment of coastal areas? Lagoons, referred to as tidal pools or shallow bays, support the economy and environment of coastal areas by serving as habitats for fish and birds. These saltwater ponds also attract tourists for recreational activities, while their calm waters provide opportunities for sustainable aquaculture. Precipice. A very steep or vertical cliff. Cliff face. Steep drop. Sheer rock. Vertical wall. What is the significance of precipices in natural landscapes? Precipices, like sheer rocks or vertical walls, are significant features in natural landscapes. These cliff faces create dramatic scenery and often serve as challenges for rock climbers. Steep drops like these also play an important role in ecology, providing habitats for rare species and protecting regions from overdevelopment. Ravine. A deep, narrow valley with steep sides. Gorge. Canyon. Chasm. Gully. How does a ravine contribute to biodiversity in its region? Ravines, such as canyons or gorges, provide unique environments that contribute significantly to biodiversity. These chasms create sheltered habitats for plants and animals, while their gullies channel water, enriching the soil and supporting vegetation growth. Such features are also valuable for ecological research and conservation efforts. Altitude. The height of an object or location above sea level. Elevation. Height. Vertical distance. Above sea level. Why does altitude play a significant role in climate and lifestyle? Altitude, often referred to as elevation or height, impacts both climate and lifestyle. The higher the vertical distance, the colder and thinner the air becomes, affecting agriculture and habitation. Living above sea level requires adaptation, but it often rewards residents with stunning views and unique ecological conditions. Knoll. A small hill or mound. Hillock. Rise. Hummock. Elevated ground. How does a knoll enhance the beauty of natural landscapes? A knoll, often referred to as a hillock or hummock, adds charm to natural landscapes. These small rises or elevated grounds often serve as scenic viewpoints, allowing people to enjoy panoramic views. They also provide habitat for diverse flora and fauna, creating an ecological balance in their surroundings. Terrain. The physical characteristics of a piece of land. Landscape. Topography. Ground surface. Landform. How does the terrain of a region influence its development? Terrain, also known as the landscape or topography, significantly impacts regional development. Flat ground surfaces are ideal for agriculture, while rugged landforms may attract tourism. Understanding the terrain ensures efficient urban planning, infrastructure development, and sustainable use of resources in the area. Boulder. A large rock typically found on the surface of the earth. Rock mass. Stone block. Large stone. Rocky formation. Why are boulders often associated with rugged landscapes? Boulders, often referred to as large stones or rocky formations, characterize rugged landscapes due to their natural presence. These rock masses, shaped by erosion over time, add a dramatic touch to the environment and often serve as landmarks for trekkers and climbers. Shingle. A beach covered with small pebbles or stones. Gravel. Pebble beach. Rocky shore. Stone coast. How does a shingle beach differ from a sandy beach? Shingle beaches, known for their gravel or pebble-covered surfaces, differ from sandy shores in texture and appearance. These rocky coasts or stone-lined shores are less common but offer a unique habitat for marine life and create a serene, less crowded environment for visitors. Cape. A pointed piece of land extending into a body of water. Promontory. Peninsula. Headland. Coastal point. How do capes contribute to coastal geography and navigation? Capes, also called promontories or headlands, are significant features of coastal geography. These peninsulas or coastal points serve as markers for navigation and often shelter bays, making them important for both environmental ecosystems and maritime activities. Microelectronics. The study and application of tiny electronic components. Nanotechnology. Miniature circuits. Small-scale electronics. Tiny systems. How has microelectronics revolutionized modern technology? Microelectronics, including miniature circuits and small-scale electronics, has transformed technology. This branch of nanotechnology enables the development of tiny systems like smartphones, enhancing convenience and connectivity. Its impact spans industries, advancing medical equipment, automation, and consumer gadgets. Relay. A device or system for transmitting and amplifying signals. Signal transmitter. Switching device. Signal booster. Communication link. Why are relays important in electrical systems? Relays, known as signal transmitters or switching devices, play a critical role in electrical systems. Acting as communication links, they amplify and transmit signals efficiently. These signal boosters ensure the smooth functioning of circuits, making them indispensable in modern technology. ball bearing. A small metal ball or assembly used to reduce friction. Bearing. Rotating sphere. Friction reducer. Rolling mechanism. How do ball bearings improve the efficiency of machinery? Ball bearings, also called friction reducers or rolling mechanisms, enhance machinery efficiency by minimizing friction. These rotating spheres allow components to move smoothly, extending the lifespan of equipment and improving performance. Bearings are critical in industries ranging from automotive to aerospace. Belt drive. A mechanism using belts to transmit motion and power. Power belt. Transmission belt. Drive belt. Conveyor belt. How does a belt drive contribute to industrial machinery? A belt drive, also called a power belt or transmission belt, efficiently transfers motion between components. These drive belts are essential in machinery for reducing wear and tear, while conveyor belts ensure smooth operations. They improve the reliability and efficiency of machines in industrial applications. Test bench. A setup used to test the functionality of machines or parts. Testing platform. Inspection bench. Diagnostic setup. Experimental table. Why are test benches important in manufacturing processes? Test benches, often referred to as diagnostic setups or testing platforms, are vital for quality control. These inspection benches allow manufacturers to assess a product's performance under controlled conditions, ensuring durability and reliability before market release. They are essential for maintaining industry standards. Cog. A tooth-like projection on a wheel or gear. Gear tooth. Sprocket. Notch. Wheel tooth. How do cogs ensure the smooth operation of mechanical systems? Cogs, also known as gear teeth or sprockets, are pivotal in ensuring efficient mechanical systems. These notches interlock perfectly to transfer motion seamlessly, reducing friction and increasing durability in machines. Without cogs, gear-based systems would lose precision and reliability. Crank. A lever attached to a shaft for transferring motion. Handle lever. Arm. Rotating lever. Turning mechanism. How does a crank improve mechanical efficiency in devices like engines? Cranks, commonly referred to as handle levers or rotating levers, enhance mechanical efficiency by converting rotational motion into linear motion. This turning mechanism allows engines and pumps to operate smoothly, ensuring consistency and power delivery in various mechanical processes. Drive shaft. A rotating shaft transmitting power from the engine to the wheels. Propeller shaft. Axle shaft. Power shaft. Torque rod. Why is the drive shaft a critical component in vehicles? The drive shaft, also called a propeller shaft or power shaft, is crucial in vehicles for transmitting engine power to the wheels. This torque rod ensures smooth movement by maintaining torque distribution and reducing mechanical strain on the vehicle's transmission system. Gearing. The arrangement of gears in a machine. Gear mechanism. Gear system. Transmission setup. Drive train. How does gearing affect the performance of a machine? Gearing, also known as a gear mechanism or drive train, optimizes a machine's performance by adjusting speed and torque. This gear system or transmission setup ensures smooth operation and enhances efficiency, making it indispensable in engines and industrial machinery. Overhaul. A thorough examination and repair of a machine or system. Maintenance check. Complete inspection. Renovation. System revamp. Why is an overhaul important in maintaining machinery? Overhauls, often called maintenance checks or system revamps, are essential for ensuring machinery's optimal performance. Through complete inspections and renovations, worn-out parts are replaced, prolonging the equipment's lifespan and preventing unexpected failures. It ensures safety and reliability in industrial systems. Rivet. A metal fastener used to join two pieces together securely. Metal pin. Fastening bolt. Securing peg. Joining stud. How do rivets ensure structural integrity in construction? Rivets, often referred to as metal pins or securing pegs, are vital for maintaining structural integrity. These fastening bolts provide durable joints, ensuring stability in bridges, buildings, and vehicles. Using rivets avoids the need for welding and enhances longevity in various construction applications. Sprocket. A toothed wheel that engages with a chain or track. Gear wheel. Chain wheel. Cogwheel. Toothed pulley. How does a sprocket improve the functionality of machines like bicycles? A sprocket, often known as a gear wheel or chain wheel, enhances efficiency by transferring power seamlessly. These cogwheels engage with chains to ensure smooth motion, making them indispensable for mechanisms like bicycles and motorcycles, where reliability and precision are key. Lathe. A machine used to shape materials by rotation. Turning machine. Machining tool. Metal shaper. Rotary tool. Why is the lathe considered vital in industrial manufacturing? The lathe, also called a turning machine or rotary tool, is essential for shaping materials accurately. This machining tool allows precise cutting, drilling, and sanding, making it a cornerstone of industries such as engineering and carpentry. Its versatility ensures consistent, high-quality production. Aerospace. The branch of technology and industry related to flight. Aeronautics. Space technology. Aviation industry. Rocketry. Why is the aerospace sector critical to technological advancement? Aerospace, encompassing aeronautics and space technology, is vital for innovation. From the aviation industry to rocketry, advancements in this field drive global progress in communication, transportation, and exploration, making it integral to society's development in scientific breakthroughs. Computer-aided design technician. A professional skilled in using CAD software for design. CAD operator. Design engineer. Digital draftsman. Technical designer. What is the role of a computer-aided design technician in modern industries? CAD technicians, also known as design engineers or technical designers, play a crucial role in creating detailed digital models. Their expertise as digital draftsmen ensures precise designs that are critical for manufacturing, engineering, and construction. These professionals streamline project workflows and improve innovation. Kinematics. The study of motion without considering its causes. Motion analysis. Movement science. Mechanical motion. Dynamic motion. How is kinematics applied in understanding mechanical systems? Kinematics, known as motion analysis or movement science, is crucial for examining mechanical systems. This study of dynamic motion enables engineers to predict and optimize performance, ensuring efficiency in robotics, automotive design, and other applications that rely on precise mechanical motion. Torque. A measure of rotational force applied to an object. Rotational force. Turning moment. Twisting force. Angular force. Why is torque an important concept in automotive engineering? Torque, often referred to as rotational force or turning moment, is essential for optimizing vehicle performance. This twisting force determines how much angular force is applied to move the wheels, ensuring efficient acceleration and enhancing overall driving dynamics. Torque is pivotal in designing powerful engines. Metaverse. A virtual reality space where users interact digitally. Virtual realm. Digital universe. Online reality. 3D cyberspace. How is the metaverse transforming digital interaction? The metaverse, described as a virtual realm or online reality, is revolutionizing how people connect. This digital universe allows users to interact in immersive 3D cyberspace environments, enabling collaborative work, education, and entertainment in ways that bridge physical and virtual worlds seamlessly. Text-to-speech. A technology converting written text into spoken words. Speech synthesis. Voice output. Audio reader. Digital narration. How does text-to-speech technology improve accessibility? Text-to-speech, also known as speech synthesis or audio reading, enhances accessibility by allowing written content to be converted into voice outputs. This digital narration makes information accessible for visually impaired individuals and supports multitasking in learning or working environments. Plug and play. A feature allowing devices to work without configuration. Instant setup. Automatic installation. Config-free hardware. Easy connect. Why is plug and play important for modern electronic devices? Plug and play technology, also called instant setup or easy connect, simplifies usability by enabling automatic installation of devices. This config-free hardware reduces setup time and ensures seamless integration, making it indispensable in today's fast-paced and technology-driven world. Blu-ray. An optical disc format for high-definition video. HD disc. High-res DVD. Optical storage. Video disc. How has Blu-ray improved the experience of watching movies at home? Blu-ray, referred to as an HD disc or optical storage, revolutionized home entertainment by offering high-resolution video and audio quality. This video disc format provides a cinematic experience, making it a preferred choice for movie enthusiasts seeking unparalleled clarity and immersive sound. Dongle. A small device that provides connectivity or functionality. Adapter device. Connection key. USB stick. Peripheral attachment. How has the dongle simplified device connectivity? Dongles, also known as adapter devices or peripheral attachments, have simplified connectivity by serving as compact tools to enable wireless access or extended functionality. These USB sticks or connection keys are especially valuable in laptops and smartphones to bridge compatibility gaps. PalmTop. A small, portable computer. Handheld PC. Pocket-sized device. Mini computer. Compact computer. How did PalmTops influence the evolution of portable technology? PalmTops, often described as handheld PCs or pocket-sized devices, paved the way for the development of smartphones and tablets. These compact computers provided computing capabilities on the go, making technology accessible and portable for business professionals and everyday users alike. Video display. A device or screen for presenting visual information. Monitor. Screen. Visual output. Display unit. How does a high-quality video display enhance the user experience? A high-quality video display, such as a monitor or display unit, significantly enhances user experience by providing sharp visual outputs. With advanced screens, users enjoy vibrant colors and clear details, making video playback, graphic design, and gaming more immersive and enjoyable. Encryption. The process of converting data into a secure format. Data encoding. Information scrambling. Secure coding. Cryptographic process. Why is encryption important for online data security? Encryption, also known as data encoding or secure coding, is essential for protecting sensitive information. By scrambling data through cryptographic processes, it ensures that only authorized parties can access or decode the information, safeguarding privacy and preventing breaches. Algorithm. A step-by-step procedure for solving a problem or completing a task. Formula. Process. Logical sequence. Computation method. How are algorithms applied in real-world problem solving? Algorithms, described as logical sequences or computation methods, are vital for real-world problem solving. By using processes like formulas, they break down complex tasks into manageable steps, ensuring efficient execution in fields such as technology, engineering, and finance. Toggle button. A switch that alternates between two states, such as on and off. Switch button. Toggle switch. On/off button. Flip switch. How do toggle buttons simplify user interaction with devices and interfaces? Toggle buttons, commonly referred to as switch buttons or flip switches, simplify user interaction by providing intuitive on/off functionality. These toggle switches improve usability in electronic interfaces, allowing users to control settings conveniently with a single click or press. Bootstrap. A front-end framework for creating responsive web designs. Framework. Development toolkit. Web framework. CSS library. Why is Bootstrap widely used in web development? Bootstrap, known as a web framework or CSS library, is popular for simplifying the creation of responsive designs. This development toolkit allows developers to build visually appealing websites efficiently, reducing time spent on coding and ensuring compatibility across multiple devices. To configure. To set up or arrange the components of a system for operation. Set up. Arrange. Customize. Modify. Why is configuring software necessary for its optimal functionality? Configuring software, referred to as setting up or customizing, is necessary to ensure proper functionality. By arranging components and modifying features, users can tailor the software to meet their specific needs, improving efficiency and overall performance for various applications. To automate. To use machines or technology to perform tasks automatically. Mechanize. Streamline. Systematize. Robotize. How does automation contribute to efficiency in industries? To automate, or mechanize processes, boosts industrial efficiency by reducing human error. When systems are streamlined or systematized, productivity increases significantly. Robotizing repetitive tasks allows workers to focus on more complex activities, leading to overall operational excellence. To computerize. To convert processes or data into a computerized format. Digitize. Automate. Program. Encode. Why is it important to computerize traditional systems in modern industries? To computerize traditional systems, also known as digitizing or encoding them, enhances efficiency and data accuracy. Automated and programmed solutions streamline workflows, ensure quick access to information, and reduce reliance on manual methods, making industries more competitive and adaptable to change. Supervision. The act of overseeing or monitoring a process. Oversight. Management. Monitoring. Direction. How does effective supervision impact workplace productivity? Supervision, which includes oversight and direction, is essential for maintaining productivity. With proper management and monitoring, employees feel guided and supported. Effective supervision fosters communication and ensures tasks are completed efficiently, ultimately enhancing both teamwork and results in the workplace. Collective. A group of people working together towards a common goal. Cooperative group. Joint organization. Shared community. Collaborative unit. How does collective effort ensure success in projects or tasks? Collective effort, often referred to as a cooperative group or collaborative unit, strengthens outcomes by combining diverse skills. Working as a shared community or joint organization fosters creativity and resourcefulness, making it easier to achieve common objectives while maintaining a sense of unity. Conglomerate. A large corporation consisting of different companies or sectors. Corporation. Business group. Multi-sector company. Industrial giant. Why are conglomerates often seen as drivers of economic growth? Conglomerates, also known as business groups or industrial giants, drive economic growth by diversifying industries. These multi-sector companies support innovation, create jobs, and contribute to global markets, ensuring stability even during economic fluctuations. Their influence promotes long-term sustainability in various sectors. Maladministration. Inefficient or dishonest management of affairs. Mismanagement. Poor governance. Inept administration. Misrule. What are the consequences of maladministration in public services? Maladministration, including mismanagement and poor governance, leads to inefficiency in public dissatisfaction. Inept administration and misrule often result in resource misallocation, reduced trust, and slow service delivery. Addressing such issues is crucial for maintaining transparency and operational excellence in public systems. Syndicate. A group of individuals or organizations working together. Alliance. Consortium. Association. Partnership. Why is the formation of a syndicate often beneficial in business ventures? A syndicate, also referred to as an alliance or consortium, is beneficial because it allows resources and expertise to be shared. This type of partnership or association ensures better decision-making, minimizes risks, and increases the chances of success in competitive markets. Collaboration within such groups strengthens organizational efficiency. Consensus. General agreement or shared opinion among a group. Accord. Harmony. Unity. Common understanding. How does reaching a consensus positively impact decision-making processes? Reaching a consensus, often described as an accord or common understanding, ensures decisions are inclusive and well considered. This sense of harmony and unity fosters collaboration, reduces conflict, and makes it easier to implement plans effectively, benefiting teams and organizations in achieving their objectives seamlessly. Directive. An official instruction or order. Order. Command. Mandate. Guideline. Why are directives important in organizational management? Directives, also known as guidelines or mandates, provide clear instructions for achieving organizational goals. These commands or orders ensure that tasks are systematically executed, helping maintain focus and accountability while promoting alignment with the organization's broader objectives.